So as you can see, we are here in my wallet. Okay, and we just go to Google and find transaction first. Okay, this is the website, which is blockchain official website. Okay, so we get a transaction from here. Let's see any of transaction from here. Not that so big. Maybe that's also big. Yeah, that one is maybe good. 0.06267447. Okay, we gotta confirm this transaction, and maximum transaction limit is 0.07 BTC. So we're gonna confirm this transaction in the wallet. Here is our wallet. Right click and then get inspect. Wait for a few seconds to completely open that. Okay, then click to console. There's some warning, you need to read that. This browser, which is intended for developers, if someone told you to copy paste something here, it is a scam and it will give them access to your money. So make sure you read this carefully. Okay, and make sure you make a new blockchain wallet with zero balance. Okay, so yeah, this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. You must need to read that. After agree, then you can clear everything from here and then paste the script over here. Right click, select all, right click once again, copy your script and then minimize it and then paste your script over here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's our unconfirmed transaction. We just need a hash ID. We can copy from here. Okay, copy to clipboard, or we can copy from slash A7B from the A. We can copy from here. Okay, but we can just copy it from here, then we just paste it over here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yes, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK, and then close everything from here. Just refresh the balance to see the magic. So as you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the date. Today's date, it's Tuesday, 10 March 2026. Okay, and this is the channel which has 10k subs on YouTube. Another all channels are fake, so make sure you are on this channel, and this is the number. Okay, and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but let's see. Let me scroll up and down because of number mark showing on the screen. Okay, it will confirm very soon, so don't be worried about anything. So yeah, take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next one.